Alright guys, well, as the title in the video says, we got a serious problem. Did not notice this. Was excited that we're moving forward with the tractor, the Kubota L3450. Engine's running good, everything's working, the steering, front axle. So as I mentioned in the previous video, next project was to work on the 3-point hitch. So I started gathering some parts up, and then started looking around, and we did a pressure wash of the tractor, and we noticed that right there is where, let me see if it'll focus, there it goes, right there is where the lever would attach to. So interesting enough, we tested it and it did work, but as soon as we tested it, as you can see, we lost a bunch of hydraulic fluid. Now, you can see there's some RTV gasket material, and I had seen that, not a problem. I figured, well, they probably worked on it. There's a good chance that the hydraulic lifting ram, which is inside there, is got problems, not working. Who knows? I was willing to accept that. But after we pressure washed it and then actuated it, look what happened. So, looks like they JB welded it and then painted over it. But that's the top of the housing. Hopefully it's coming out in the video. But it is cracked side to side. Alright, well, as soon as we moved it, that's what happened. That's not the worst of it. We started looking even closer and noticed she split the case. You can see what appears to be JB weld all the way through, all the way down. See the crack? That's in the transmission. There's 2 cracks, or maybe just one. I don't know. I guess that's one in the top cover. That's the transmission case. It goes all the way down to here. So you can see there's a bunch of what looks like JB weld smeared around it. I don't know if it was painted or if that's the color of the JB weld, but go to the other side of it and you'll see something similar. So, yeah, excellent. The transmission and the rear section you can pull apart, so that housing's separate. But trying to locate one, now that's going to be another story. So I don't know what we're going to do. I reached out to a couple companies, still waiting to hear back. Trying to locate the specific housing. I'm not sure if like the L3250 or 3750, 3650, if it carries the same transmission housing. So I'm still looking for that. I did find the top section, just the cover. I think it was, but it's in rough shape. I found one of them in Pennsylvania, I believe, and they want, I don't know, $400 for it, I think, without shipping. But it's like all corroded and rusted. Not impressed, but that's all I could find. I've been looking for maybe even a parts tractor, but I'm not sure. Right now we have nothing we can do with this because until we find either a casing and the top section or a whole new transmission setup. So we basically got 2 options. We fix this or we part it out. The engine runs so good. I'd hate to part it out, but you know, is it cost effective to fix it? And if, you know, along with the costs, is it possibly even locate the parts we need. So if any of you guys out there know where I might be able to grab one of those, I need the rear transmission housing and that top hydraulic cylinder plate at the bare minimum. Obviously, if I can find the lever, that'd be great. And then once I tear apart whatever, I see what's inside. Hopefully nothing else is damaged. But yeah, if you guys know, somebody's got parts that they're selling, or they got a tractor that they're parting out, or just a scrap tractor that maybe the engine's blowing, but the rest of it they're trying to get rid of, leave a comment down below, or find my email on my channel page. Get a hold of me. I'd definitely be interested. Ideally, my preferred option would be to fix this one. I want to continue to get it back to running, and it's a perfect size tractor for us. What we need it for: four-wheel drive, diesel, 36, 37 horsepower with a PTO and hitch. So that's everything we need to do what we need done around the property. So I'd hate to have to part it out, but if we can't locate the parts, that's our next option. The engine runs really good, no smoke. So there's definitely some value there. Front axle was really in good shape. After putting the seals in, no noise from anything. Power steering, no noise from it once we flushed the hydraulic transmission fluid. So definitely some bonuses there. So it'd be really unfortunate if we do have to part it out. So this is going to be put on hold until I locate parts or make the decision to start parting it out. So let me know what you guys think down below. And again, if you guys know of where I might be able to get some of these parts, leave a comment, let me know. Definitely interested in trying to find something. So it's too bad. It was pretty dirty back here. I would never have thought to check that for cracks. I mean, I've never seen anything like that. I don't know what they were using the tractor for. That explains why everything was missing. Was the tractor rolled? Was it something happened? And yeah, it's unfortunate. You just wonder who knew about it when they sold it too. Try to deceive somebody. But like I said, buyer beware. I'm not completely out of this. I can make my money back on what I put into it so far if I part it out. And then if I end up fixing it at a reasonable price, it will be, should still be worthwhile. So that's going to be it for this video. Sorry, it's just me talking about the situation and asking for some help. You guys can help out, let me know. Just need to locate those parts. So appreciate you guys watching the videos. See you on the next one.